There's a lot of you out there. All right, I'm going to just give a brief introduction to intellectual property. Please note that I'm a lawyer, but I'm not your lawyer, and none of this is legal advice. So the lame part of the speech is now over. All right, so this is my daughter and my dog. You'll never know how short 5 minutes can be until you give one of these speeches, and you'll never know how long it can be until that little one's screaming in your ear for 5 minutes. She's a screamer. Yeah, okay. So the four basic topics of intellectual property are copyrights, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets. There are some limited other ones, but that's what I'm going to really focus on. My goal here is to educate everybody on the basics of it. If you have more questions, you can ask me later. So first we're going to start with copyright. I'm not really sure who owns this picture. It was a selfie at a photo booth at a wedding. So it could be me, it could be the photo booth, it could be the person who got married. Copyrights are complicated. How do you get a copyright? Well, it's automatic. As soon as you write it, take a picture, whatever, make a video, make a Vine, whatever kids do these days. You can also register it with the Copyright Office. Why would you do that? Well, there's a big deal right now with this particular photo. It was actually a selfie taken by a monkey, and no one's really sure. It's actually in the federal courts. No one's sure who actually owns this copyright. Is it the monkey? Is it the person who set up the camera? It's a very big deal. All right, moving on to trademarks. These are my two favorite trademarks. FedEx has a little arrow, which blows my mind every time. And Goodwill, the logo is the same as the G. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, right? All right, so trademarks also include service marks and trade dress, which are complicated and no one cares. All right, so how do you get a trademark? Well, you have to register it with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. This is a long acronym. We call it the USPTO. There are also some common law. No one cares about that. All right. My favorite reason to get a trademark, if anyone's seen Coming to America, you don't want this to happen to you. So yeah, that, no sesame seeds there. That's the difference. All right. Moving on to patents. Patents are what I do every day. They include utility patents. That's stuff that does stuff. I like to say that. Design patents. That's like your iPhone case. And plant patents. That's for people who are way smarter than me. This is one of my favorite patents from 1891. It was Nikola Tesla patent. He got kind of screwed by Edison, but that's a different speech, I guess. I think that they modeled Iron Man's chest plate after that. That's from the movie, so I kind of think that's pretty cool. Tesla is kind of the jam. All right, how do you get a patent? Well, we call it patent prosecution. So this is what I do every day. I'm a patent prosecutor, and it doesn't mean that I go to court. I'm terrified of court. I would never go to court. It can take years. I mean, literally years and tens of thousands of dollars to get a patent. Why would you do it? Well, there's very strong protection. You put all that money in unless the Supreme Court decides that they're going to do whatever they're going to do, and then that's a different thing. But it can be very costly to get and very costly to litigate, but they're very strong protection. Moving on to trade secrets. As Gandalf said, keep it secret, keep it safe. This is a lot like the One Ring. Oh, good, my slide got messed up. This is less bad than last time. When do you get how? Okay, how? So they're semi-automatic. As long as you keep things secret, they will stay secret. You can apply for trademarks or trade secrets for anything that you could patent, but also for business processes and that sort of thing. Why would you get one? Well, it protects your business secrets. It might not be protectable with other intellectual property like patents. All right. When do you get them? Patents, you need to do it before you let this out into the world. I can't tell you how many times that has caused me a massive headache. As far as copyrights and trademarks, generally after, although you can do trademarks before you can apply before you actually get it. What you need to do, for patents, they pretty much sit there as long as you pay your fees, and copyrights will exist as long as Disney keeps paying off Congress. Trademarks and trade secrets, you basically need to sue everyone. So what can you do? Keep inventing, keep I don't know, writing, keep vining. I said that twice. I can't believe that. Okay, keep Instagramming. That's the other one. Snapchatting, yeah. All right, so I just want to say we're a lot more, intellectual property lawyers are a lot more like those guys than like that guy. We're mostly nerds, so feel free to come talk to us, and mostly we're happy to talk about what we do. So that's all I got.